Good morning students. Today we see the new chapter, some application of trigonometry. First see in picture, your eyesight bottom to top, the angle of elevation, the angle is angle of elevation. Top to bottom, மேலமிருந்து கீழே பார்க்குற போல இருந்தால் the angle is the angle of depression, the angle of depression. Exercise 9.1. Yeah, first question. A circus artist climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stitched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. See in figure. The given figure is given. AB is a pole. AC is a rope. A circus artist climbing a 20-meter long rope. The 20-meter long rope la mela error. 20-meter long rope. If the angle made by the rope with the ground level is, it is a ground level. Angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. Therefore, AB is a pole. Find the height of the pole is a given question. In a right triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degree, AC equal to 20 meter, angle B equal to 30 degree, B equal to 30 degree. Let AB equal to X. Let AB equal to X. Find the opposite side. Another value is given, hypotenuse. Therefore, opposite side by hypotenuse equal to sin theta. Sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Therefore, sin 30 degree equal to opposite side AB by AC. Sin 30 oda value 1 by 2 equal to AB oda value X, AC oda value 20, X by 20. 1 into 20, 20. Therefore, X equal to 20 by 2. Therefore, X equal to 1 2s are 2, 10 2s are 20. Therefore, X equal to 10 meter. The required length is 10 meter. The height of the pole, the pole or height, the height of the pole is 10 meter. Question number 2. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30, which is the distance between the foot of the tree to the point where top of the touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. It is a tree. This XY, tree order length XY. Y is a broken part. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bent to the top of the tree touches the ground. The Y broke ground level touch பண்ணுது ஓகேவா y உடஞ்சி கீழே கிரவுண்டில் டச் ஆகிருக்கு மேக்கிங் அன் ஆங்கிள் 30 டிகிரி டச் ஆகிருக்கு அந்த ஆங்கிள் வந்து கிரவுண்டு கூட ஏற்படுத்துகிற ஆங்கிள் வந்து 30 டிகிரி மேக்கிங் அன் ஆங்கிள் இஸ் 30 டிகிரி the distance between the foot of the tree to the point where top of touches the ground is 8 meter. The distance between foot of the tree ட்ரீயோட மரத்தோட அடிப்பக்கத்திலிருந்து டாப் ஆஃப் த ட்ரீ திஸ் டாப் ஆஃப் த ட்ரீக்குள்ள டிஸ்டன்ஸு 8 மீட்டர். ஃபைண்ட் த ஹைட் ஆஃப் த ட்ரீ எக்ஸ் அண்ட் ஒய். ஒய் இஸ் ஏ ப்ரோக்கன் பார்ட்டு, another part எக்ஸ். ஃபைண்ட் த வேல்யூ ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் அண்ட் ஒய். given BC equal to 8 meter, BC equal to 8 meter, angle C equal to 30 degree. Let AB oda length x, AC oda length y in name. Let AB equal to x and AC equal to y. In a right triangle ABC, first to find the value of y. adjacent side and hypotenuse equal to cos 30. Cos 30 equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Therefore 8 by y. Cos 30 oda value root 3 by 2 equal to 8 by y. Y equal to, therefore 8 2s are 16 by root 3. Reciprocal right hand side pona 8 2s are 16 by root 3. Next to find the value of x, opposite side and adjacent side, using opposite and adjacent side formula tan 30. Tan 30 equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. X by 8. Tan 30 oda value 1 by root 3 equal to x by 8. Therefore x equal to 1 8s are 8 by root 3. Therefore the length of the tree, adding x plus y. X plus y. X oda value 8 by root 3 plus y oda value 16 by root 3. The denominator value is same. Adding the numerator, 8 plus 16 oda value 24 by root 3. Rationalize the denominator. Denominator root oda value cancel panna. Multiplying root 3 by root 3 ala multiply pandrom. Root 3 by root 3. Multiplying and dividing root 3 by root 3. 24 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 oda value 3. 1 3s are 3. 8 3s are 24. Therefore 8 root 3. The length of the tree is 8 root 3. Third question. A constructor plans to install 2 slides for children to play in a park. For a children below the age of 5 years, she prepared to a slide whose stop at the height of the 1.5 meter is inclined at an angle 30 degree. ஒரு constructor 2 slide ready பண்றாரு. This is a children slide. It is elder, பெரியவங்களுக்கு சின்னவங்களுக்கு. Children slide ஓட height 1.5 meter, 30 degree and inclined at an angle of 30 degree. The slide இதனுடைய length angle வந்து 30 degree. Ground and angle 30 degree to the ground level. For elder children, she want to have slide at a height of 3 meter. Elder இது height வந்து 3 meter and inclined at an angle to the ground level. Ground level ஓட ஏற்படுத்துற angle வந்து 60 degree. What should be the length of the slide in each case? Length of the slide in each case. Children slide ஓட length. Find the AC and find the PR. Given AB equal to 1.5 meter, angle C equal to 30 degree, angle B equal to 90 degree. PQ equal to 3 meter, angle R equal to 60 degree, angle Q equal to 90 degree. In a right triangle ABC, find AC. Opposite side is given. Opposite side by hypotenuse oda value sin. Therefore sin 30 equal to AB by AC. AB by AC. Sin 30 oda value 1 by 2 equal to AB oda value 1.5 by AC. Therefore 1 into AC, AC 1.5 into 2. Therefore AC equal to 3 meter. Next, find PR. Opposite side is given. Elder slide or opposite side is 3 meter. Find PR. Therefore sin 60 equal to PQ by PR. Sin 60 oda value root 3 by 2 equal to 3 by PR. Cross multiply. PR equal to 3 into 2 by root 3. 3 into 2 by root 3. Therefore PR equal to 2 root 3. 3 eninga root 3 by root 3. 1 root 3 1 root 3 cancel aachina. Therefore PR equal to 2 root 3. Therefore length of the children's slide 3 meter. length of the elder slide 2 root 3 meter. இந்த ஸ்லைடோட லென்த் ஏசியோட லென்த் 3 மீட்டர், பிஆரோட லென்த் 2 root 3 மீட்டர். Fourth question. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. The angle of elevation top of the tower from the point on the ground or one point lerundu ABC tower, top of the tower angle of elevation பாட்டத்துல இருந்து டாப் பார்க்கறாங்க. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point on the ground, இந்த பாயிண்ட்ல இருந்து இதனுடைய டாப்பை பார்க்கறாங்க, which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Foot of the towerல இருந்து 30 degree away from the point. அந்த பாயிண்ட் எவ்வளவு தூரம் தள்ளி இருக்கு? 30 meter away from the point is 30 degree. angle ground கூட ஏற்படுத்தக்கூடிய angle வந்து 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. AB ஓட length find out பண்ணனும். Find AB. Given B equal to 90 degree, angle C equal to 30 degree, BC equal to 30 meter. Let AB equal to X. AB ஓட length X. In right triangle ABC, opposite side and adjacent side is given. Therefore tan 30 equal to opposite by adjacent. Therefore tan 30 oda value 1 by root 3 equal to x by 30. X equal to 30 by root 3. Cross multiply 30 by root 3. Therefore x equal to 30 by root 3 into multiplying root 3 and divide root 3. Root 3 by root 3 ala multiply பண்ணி divide பண்றோம். Rationalize the denominator. Denominator root 3 cancel பண்றதுக்காக. Therefore x equal to 30 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 oda value 3. X equal to 1 3s are 3, 10 3s are 30. Therefore x equal to 10 root 3 meter. Therefore the height of the tower is 10 root 3. The height of the tower is 10 root 3. AB oda length 10 root 3. Fifth question. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to the point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string. Assume that there is no slank in the string. First question read. A kite is flying at the height of the 60 meter above the ground. This point it is a kite 60 meter above the ground level la irundhu 60 meter above உயரத்துல பறக்குது kite 60 meter above the ground level. The string attached to the kite temporarily tied to the point on the ground. இந்த இடத்துல இருந்து string kite ஓட நூல் பட்டத்தோட நூல் இந்த இடத்துல புடிச்சின்னு இருக்கீங்க. Temporarily tied on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60. And the string oda ground level oda ஏற்படுத்தக்கூடிய angle வந்து 60 degree. 60 degree. Find the length of the string. The length of the string find out பண்ணனும். AC find out பண்ணனும். Assume the string is no slank in the string. ரொம்ப டைட்டா இருக்கு அப்படின்றத கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Given AB equal to 60 meter, angle C equal to 60 degree, AC X. Hypotenuse is given, opposite and hypotenuse is a sine. Therefore sine 60 in a right triangle ABC, sine 60 equal to opposite order value 60 by X. Sin 60 oda value root 3 by 2 equal to 60 by x. Therefore x equal to cross multiply x equal to 60 into 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3. Therefore 60 into 2 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3, root 3 by root 3. Therefore root 3 into root 3 oda value 3. Therefore 60 into 2 into root 3 by 3. 1 3s are 3, 23s are 60. Therefore 20 into 2 oda value, 20 into 2 oda value 40 root 3. Therefore the length of the string is 40 root 3 meter. The string oda length AC oda value, the length of the AC equal to 40 root 3 meter.